Holcim il est 15 degrés au-dessus du waypoint.
So 2 tacks later and we are first.
Yes. Was not really expected, but we have a really big shift on the left side. And after the goal was to go through the little front to take the west first, and we succeed. We succeed. Sorry.
Succeed.
C'est English lesson with Gauthier Lebec. We succeed, but yes, it's good. We catch the new wind.
Mélie, est-ce que tu as envoyé un message à Alan?
Ah non.
Est-ce que tu as envoyé un petit cœur?
Non. Mais il sait que je lui envoie des petits cœurs.
Pas besoin de les écrire?
Non, là, il sait. Il nous regarde toute la journée. On se regarde toute la journée.
C'est dur, c'est mou, c'est dur, c'est mou. Faudra vraiment checker si c'est power max partout.
Ouais, peut-être faire un appel. La queue. Ouais. Regarde le souffle encore là. Mais c'est hyper loin pour moi. For what?
6 minutes before Alpha waypoint. It's the waypoint of Cap Finisterre before heading west. And then we head west for a bit, and then we head back east for a bit to make sure we arrive at Porto at the right time.
Okay.
So that everyone's happy.
On part J0 pour l'instant et... Ouais.
On prend le mur de J4 et on a fait le J3 en tout cas. Ouais. Dès qu'on passe le vol, dès qu'on est réglé quoi.
Zéro là? Pas besoin de border?
Non.
Au choc et l'écarteur? On est à 90 du vent.
Le choc l'écarteur.
On est à 1 minute 20.
Choquer l'écoute de J3 qui bloque, s'il vous plaît. Il faut d'abord mettre du chiquette.
We're going west around a virtual mark, and we should be going quite fast right now, reaching. But the wind's not playing ball as it should have been, so we're really slow. But hopefully it'll pick up very soon, and then we'll get to Porto on time for the flyby.
And we rounded the first mark in a good position? Or?
Yeah, it was. All of today was quite a tactical day. At one point it didn't look very good for us, and then sort of our intention was always to be the most western boat, so the most offshore boat, and on the last shift, the last wind shift, that really played in our favour. And we managed to sort of sneak ahead a bit, and we're still pretty close with Holcim PRB. They're about 1.5 miles behind, but we put quite a bit of distance on the other boats, maybe 6 or 7 miles, so that was a nice end to the day.
We saw some wildlife also during the day.
Yeah, I think a couple of whales, some dolphins, some birds, some fish. So yeah, it was good.
Nice to see. Okay.
And the rest of the crew, you know.
Which is the most crazy wildlife you can see around?
I think at wake up time, when everyone stumbles on deck, is when you're the real wildlife. See all the different characters coming out.
Yeah. Especially for you.
Yeah, definitely.
He's the one I speak the most during the wake up time.
There's a moment there always.
Sam, you're stealing my bed.
I'm stealing your bed, yeah, with Paul's floating chat table.
Your what?
Paul's flying chat table. We got a little screen hanging from the tunnel. You lie on the floor and look at it, and that's Paul's version of a chat table. We do with what we've got, right?
Is it comfy?
Something along those lines. Sometimes.
So where should I work now?
You can go on the foredeck if you like. It'll be fine.
Clouds everywhere.
Yeah. Get some rain a few minutes ago. Probably rain again. But we are waiting for more wind to change the sail.
So you said the wind can
Yeah.
rise quickly?
Yeah, that's the problem because we have the big sail, a G0, so biggest sail of the boat. And we will change to G2, but it's hard to do it in a good timing. Because too early you're too slow, and too late it's hard to furl the sail. And I hope the wind will come before the night, because after you can see nothing. Ouais, ok. Est-ce que c'est assez creux devant, Jack? C'est assez creux le J2? Ouais, c'est creux. Ok, super. On peut peut-être border un peu de GV si...
Ouais, je peux le faire si tu veux.
one maybe.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Nobody had been Jack Boutel. Ah ouais, tu fais jamais ça, je comprends pas.
Bah, j'ai pas compris, putain. Je passe trop de temps avec Jack Boutel. Je suis conne.
C'est quoi une Jack Boutel?
C'est aller en slip.
C'est partir à l'avance sans tirer alors que tu sais pertinemment que tu vas te faire rincer la gueule. Et vu que je passe trop de temps avec Jack, je me suis permis d'aller à Paris, je disais sans tirer. Il reste du temps de tremper. Rincer.
T'as pris la douche avant la nuit quoi.
C'est une douche salée, c'est un peu chiant.
Il va y avoir peut-être une grosse rivière à rentrer.